Hey, what's up everybody? Remi Sovran here from RemiSovran.com. In today's video, I have a little tip that I want to share with everybody, and it's specifically for anyone that suffers from back pain or any sort of pain while they're sitting, specifically when they're driving. So if you're someone that has a disc bulge or has sciatica, and when you're sitting you experience a lot of pain or you experience flare-ups, this little tip can kind of maybe help prevent some of the pain and help limit the amount of pain you may experience. It could also potentially help you drive longer distances, because oftentimes when you're sitting and you're driving, you're thinking about all that pain, and sometimes you could put yourself at risk for getting into a car accident, or you just have that fear of getting into an accident because of the pain you're experiencing. So what this little tip is the use of a back cushion or a backrest, which you can see in the car right now. Is we have the cushion on the bottom here, and then we have the backrest just kind of here up on the seat. So what I want to show you guys is that when we look at the normal seat for the car here, you can see that when an individual can kind of sit here, they're more likely to sink in, and this could put them into a more internally rotated position and a more flexed position. So when we put the backrest up though, it's going to keep them more upright and it's going to promote better posture. Now when we combine this with the cushion here, the cushion is going to also help us keep in a more upright position, and also it's going to help take some of the compression off our spine. And so by taking some of the compression off our spine, it could limit the amount of pressure that we place onto our nerve roots or our nerves if someone's experiencing sciatica, or just overall the amount of pressure onto our spine, like onto our discs. And that's a big thing, because if we could kind of reduce the amount of pressure placed onto our spine or whatnot, we could limit the amount of pain we may experience, and this could make a difference within our driving and whatnot. Now the biggest thing, guys, is that it's not going to make a substantial difference. It's going to make a slight difference, but that slight difference is very important over a long period of time. Especially if you're someone that is driving to work. Let's say if you work and you drive to work and you have to drive about 20 minutes or so, and you have sciatica or some sort of sciatic pain for maybe a disc bulge. And so after 15 minutes of sitting, you start experiencing a lot of pain. So with this cushion, what it could do is it could spare you a few more minutes. And instead of experiencing pain after 15 minutes, you could experience it after 20 minutes. So therefore, while you're driving, you might not experience any pain at all. And so that's very essential and important, because therefore when you're driving, you might not experience pain for over that period of time or whatnot, and it could save you a little bit of time. And it's also, we're getting the benefit of promoting a better posture and helping us remember to maintain a better posture while we're sitting. And also it could also be applicable to also long drives as well. Sometimes you're sitting in the car for 3-4 hours. If you're someone that maybe gets pain after 2 hours of sitting, this could make a difference, and you could maybe go with sitting without pain for maybe 3 hours instead. So it's just something I want to share with you guys, and it's just a little tip that I wanted to provide to you guys if you're someone that does suffer from pain while you're sitting and you have trouble driving or whatnot. This could make a little bit of a difference. And now the thing is with these cushions too, if they aren't that expensive, but if for someone that may be limited in the amount of money they have, typically some healthcare services, if you can get a prescription from your doctor to kind of get one of these, and you could save some money on them. I know for this one, I think I spent about $100, but I had some coverage on it, so I saved maybe about $30-40 overall. So and also I think it was one of the best investments I made, just because of that pain when I had my pain, and I had severe pain back a couple years ago. This really made the difference in terms of just driving to school and whatnot, and it helped me get through some of my days while I was driving, especially too. Just using this cushion to kind of take some of that pain off of my back, and also just that pain shooting down my leg. So guys, that's just my tip for you, and I hope this can kind of help you guys out, and hopefully you guys can kind of get a benefit from this. Now everyone's going to have different experiences with this. Some people will see benefits from it, some people won't. Everyone's going to be different, and also in the type of cushion and kind of backrest that they use as well. So guys, if you are someone that suffers from pain while you're driving or sitting or whatnot, give this cushion backrest a try. See how it feels, see how you like it and whatnot, and let me know what you guys think and whatnot, and if it has benefited you, or if you even use one or not. Okay guys, so all the best, and if you want to see more fitness videos, fitness tips, or any back pain tips or anything like that, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, take care, and I'll see you soon.